Alright, good morning guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have got a few projects planned, just some various car work. Nothing going on with the diesel, but we are going to fire the diesel up real quick and we're going to take it to the gym. The truck hasn't moved since we got back from Pennsylvania because it drove plenty on that trip. So we're going to start off with doing a little cold start. It's not that cold, but gonna get the truck fired up, get her disconnected from the trailer here, just do a little driving with it this morning, and then we will move on to the rest of the day's projects. Alright, so it is now evening time. As you can see, the weather got a little crummy. So, what we are doing now is the brother is here. Say hi, Harry. On his truck, we are just going to be doing brakes on all four corners, just pads and rotors. So, we might set you up, we might do a time lapse, might walk you through it. Brakes are pretty simple. So, yeah, just, we're going to get it off the ground and get all the tires off. Hopefully the lighting in the garage is not too bad. It's probably a little bit better out here if you can even see me. But I've got a floor light, so hopefully everything will show up fine. Alright, so this front brake assembly, I guess, hub assembly, is actually pretty different from the rear. I don't know why I didn't think about it. It's a two-wheel drive truck, so it's kind of just got like this little like self-contained hub. So you can see here, we had to pop this little dust cover. There we go. Pop the little grease cap off. There was a bearing and a washer down in there. So we're gonna have to repack that with grease, but that goes in there. No, other side.
Yeah, I know.
This is the. See if we can pop it off with a screwdriver here. This is the wheel seal right here. You can kind of tell it's kind of hardened on there. Anyways, here's the spindle right here. That there we go for comparison. But we're gonna have to repack all this with grease. Do the same with the bearing, and hope everything is a-okay. But a little different, a little more time, a little more complicated. But you know, it's still not too bad. All right, so I think we're done for the night. Went for a test drive with it. Harry, what do you think?
A lot better.
A lot better. Profound words of wisdom. He said that now, when he presses hard on the brake, he'll actually stop. So I'd call that an improvement. Before you were getting like what, pulsation? Just not. I mean, you saw the pads. I mean, they were almost gone. So we're in good shape now. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Get the garage cleaned up. But if you're stopping in for the first time, hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. We'll have more content coming out as regular videos I can get up.